Good job. Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. Put him to sleep. Good job. Good job, Isabella. Want to play again? You're going to put him to sleep? Good girl. Do the elephant. You want to stand right now? Where are your books? Are you standing on your books? Yeah. Izzy, what you doing, baby girl? No, you can't walk. Don't let go. Oh, Izzy, don't let go. You wish you could walk. Good girl. Good girl, Izzy. So you see your purse?
Let's get ready. I open up my purse, I close it up, and then...
Gonna give it kisses?
Take them out again. Learn about some numbers. Count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, Izzy. Can you turn it on? Izzy, where's your window? Gonna crawl to the window? I'm gonna play with your animals some more. So you love that. Good girl. You gonna stand up? Good job, Izzy. Where's your teacup? No, you're standing right now. You can't place your toys on the ground. Where's your teacup? Look it, Izzy. Oop.